This is bike, okay? I want to show you, I want to check the problem. What is the cause of the power failure? Okay, so first of all, I don't know if you can see me, but first of all, I want to open the battery. Okay, what's the cause of power failure? Okay, this is this charger. Okay, so I have to open the box here and see if the batteries are reading very well. I don't know if you can see me. I will see if the batteries are reading very well. I think you can see me, yeah. Yeah. I will check if the batteries are reading very well. To know if battery is reading very well, I can check other things. First of all, I have to check the battery. Okay. So these things are, you can follow me if you want to learn how to fix electric bike. Okay. It's very good. Or you can, if you want to learn how to fix electric bike, contact us, come to our workshop, we'll teach you everything about electric bike. Okay. I will teach you everything about electric bike. So I'm losing this one. What is happening here? So this one, okay. Good morning. This one is, the bolt is one inside. That's the problem here. It's one inside, cannot lose. Difficult to go out from here. It's a big problem for me now. Let's see what I can do. Okay, so I'm checking the port now. Okay. So as you can see, the problem is just wire. Okay, just this wire, this circuit breaker. I will show you. I will show you the problem. This is circuit breaker, okay? Circuit breaker wire just go out. This is a minor fault. Doesn't have this bike doesn't have major fault. If you know how to fix it, it's a minor fault. So this is just a minor fault, okay? But I will not tell the owner it's a minor fault, understand? Because I need money. So it's a manifold. It doesn't have a big issue like that. Okay? Maybe wire problem, we'll fix everything for you. We have it for sale, we'll prepare it also. Okay? So this is the, let me remove this seat. Okay? This is the speed, this is this. This is electric bike, full electric bike. Okay? This is batteries. It has 32 amps, 6 battery. 6 long battery. Each battery is 32 amps. 20, 12, 40, 72 volts, sorry. 72 volts for each battery. Each battery is 12 volts at the 2 amps. So this is 6 battery with 72. 12 times 6, that's 72. Plus the amps is 32. That is very heavy. Okay? So this is the problem here. This wire. Okay? I don't know if you can see me. This is the problem. But the reason why they brought it here for repair, for maintenance, is this. Okay? So when I fix the wire now, I will now couple it back again. So there's no big issue. Okay, like this. So couple it back. Make sure it's tight. Okay. Before it's not coming on. Now it's coming on. See? See? This is circuit breaker. Once there's a spark on the bike, this one will break. It will cut off. That's what they call circuit breaker. But when there's a spark on the bike somewhere, it will just cut off to avoid burn, you know, because this is very high amps. This is very high voltage, 72. So it can, when battery, or something, battery wire or negative or positive just join together, it can make the bike to get burned. But once you join together, this one will just off the whole bike. So that's why this one is here. So, but the wire went out. That's why the bike is not coming on. It's not coming on. You know, the owner brought it here because it's not coming on. So I just, okay, let me just check. And this is the problem, only wire. Okay? So if you want to learn how to fix electric bike, we are here for you. Okay? We're here for you always. Always here for you. Always here for you. So I want to check, make sure that the wires are okay. Make sure the wires are okay, okay? So everything is okay. Everything is working perfectly. So what we need now is to couple it back again and, you know, take our money for maintenance. Normal. You understand? You understand? Normal. Money for maintenance, they good though. They say, they like hard work, and I know we get like hard work. And I go say, some people go say, to collect person money, to do yahoo, or to do other things. Then go for them. Learn hard work. This work will feed you. This electric bike work will feed you for any country where you go. You understand? Go any country for this world. This electric bike work. You don't go chop for any country. In fact, you be the new guy. You understand? The new guy for work. They go tell you, say, this one a person can't come for me from another place. From another town, now they can't come for me. From another town. See the boat will come out. Back come out. You understand? Come on, sir. So that boat will come out. That people can wear. So we have everything here. We sell, we service, we repair. See the boat don't come out now. It not come out before. Yeah. You understand? So, my friends, this is it. The work is done. I just want to check other things so that I know sure say everything they work well. You understand? I may not be like say person collect money, you know, we do everything. I check everything well. We have our channels available. If you want us to service your bike, bring it to our shop here in Delta State, we'll do it for you. Yes. We don't do outside work for now. We are not doing outside work for now. We bring it to our location. Okay? Or you chat us up. We'll tell you what to do. If you have any confusion on your bike, chat me up. I will tell you what to do. I'll give you solution online. Tell you what to do to make it work for you. Okay? Oh, my rain done the follow. Rain done the format on my bike for real. When I wait, rain done the follow. leave am for there. So this one na for there for that. No kill am. So this is it. Bike is working, everything is working. Battery, I don't dey tight the battery wire. To be sure the battery wire is very very tight because e no tight well. Na problem. Okay. So this battery, so see am, the only wire I put to just wire problem. Okay, fix am with wire, only wire, and you are good to go. He say, that's what say, let me bike. See am, no problem, no problem. I'm putting the things back again. Okay, I'll call the owner after fix. I'll call the owner say I don't do a finish. So bring money carry am o. That's my work o. So okay, I will show you something there. Now, like I said before, I can upgrade the battery. Oh, wow, this one no. Okay, I don't know what I can do there. I said before, I can upgrade the battery to lithium battery. This is acid battery here now. I make it to the lithium. Okay, so all you need to do is to chat me up. Tell me I want to upgrade my battery to lithium battery. We will do it for you. You understand? We will do it for you at a very good rate. I don't on the phone. Ah, so what you need there? Once I come up, we'll do it for you. So I'm putting everything back together now. Okay, I'm putting everything back together now. So I'm coupling everything back because I already done with the repair. Okay. So this is the seat mode. This is technology. Oh, okay. Technology. Okay. The technology. Done. Done. So it's done. I'm done. I'm done. Put the back, charger back. Both are tight. Okay. Both are tight. Give my tools back. You understand? Okay. So now the back is working fully.
Bluetooth mode.
See? The music is playing. I want to play music now with my phone. Oh. I want to use this phone to play music. Oh. So under 16 minutes I have able to done the bike. So see the speed? Everything is working now. So I want to on the music.